In this video, we will discuss why it is important to mount our low-voltage motors correctly. Our low-voltage greenhouse curtain motors are designed to run most greenhouse curtains, blackout systems, and roof vents. The motors come with a 5-year warranty when powered by an Advancing Alternatives controller, under normal use and conditions, and when properly installed. The correct orientation for installing the low-voltage motor is with the motor positioned above the limit switches. By placing the motor above the limit switches, any condensation or moisture that accumulates within the motor housing can drain away from the electrical components, reducing the risk of corrosion or short circuits. If the motor is installed with the motor beneath the limit switches, it is considered upside down, and this configuration voids the motor's warranty. Located beneath the limit switch casing, there is a small opening specifically designed to facilitate the escape of any moisture that may accumulate within the casing, directing it downward. Let's see what happens when water is introduced to a motor in the upside-down position. As you can see, the opening allows the water to enter the casing easily. Furthermore, because the unit is upside down, the motor is now positioned below the limit switch casing, and the water will drain downward towards the motor. While it is true that these motors are designed for outside use, it is important to install them right side up, as consistent rainfall and water exposure will likely lead to a damaged motor if installed upside down. By correctly installing your motor in its intended upright position and powering it with an Advancing Alternatives controller, you can elevate the motor's resilience and optimize its performance while simultaneously maintaining your 5-year warranty protection. To learn more about Advancing Alternatives and the greenhouse solutions we provide, visit advancingalternatives.com/knowledge center.